Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. This is a building, guys. This is a commercial building for sale. The lot area is 850 square meters with a clean title located in Poblacion, Ubaybol. So this is a very nice, also an investment for a price of 30 million pesos negotiable. Just make an offer, guys, kay I noticed nga murag taas gyud ang presyo. But when I talk to the owner, according to him, that is the building of his daughter living outside here in the Philippines. Then that is her price. But if we are really interested, we just make an offer. So it's along provincial road or a highway. The building was 5 years ago. Reason for selling is kuan, guys. Nobody can take care of their business in this building. So why makatiman? Then the father was already old, no? Tiguang na. So mana why lain? And this is the building of his daughter, no? 3-story building. Kayong 13 million, guys, parang taas yun, pero ako ang assessment ani kung pwede lang masugot ni og mga 20 siguro. 20 million, pero wow, umtay mahimo. Owner's price magid ni. So atong ikuha og drone video, mo na ang 3rd floor, no. So pwede pa ni siya gamon ganing rooftop. So very nice ang gapon, okay ra. So ato lang i-upload para sigurado. Duol ra ni sa stoplight paingon sa municipal hall sa Ubay. Okay? Kita man nato sa drone nga naa ra gyud city or poblasyon gyud. Soon to become a city ang Ubay, guys. Hapit na masyudad kay ni pasar na sa tanang income requirements for a city. Okay? For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.